Welcome to Only Social. In today's video, we will show you how to use recurring notifications on Messenger, a game changer for engaging with your audience. Whether you are looking to send regular updates or keep users informed, this feature is your key to streamlined communication. Let's get started. First, we will need to create a bot. Head over to the Bot Manager, located in the left navigation menu. From here, select the Facebook page where you would like to set up the recurring notification. Click on Create New Flow button, which will open a flow builder with a Start Bot Flow. Double-click to open this flow. Add the trigger keywords. These are the words that will activate your bot. Choose between exact keyword match and string match type. Name your bot and click Done. Add a simple text reply to the bot for user interactions. Now add recurring notification component to the bot. Enter a title for your recurring notification in the title field. Select the RCN Postback ID as New RCN and attach an image to the RCN. Once you've completed these steps, click Done. Open the new RCN template. Give this template a name, click Done, and save your bot. When a user interacts with your Messenger bot and clicks on a recurring message, your page will gain permission to send that user recurring messages. To send the recurring notification message, navigate to Broadcast from the menu. Under the subscriber broadcast, click on Campaign List. Then, click Create New Campaign. Assign a name to your campaign and select the Facebook page where the recurring message was set up. Then, under the broadcast type, select Recurring. The number of users who have granted permission for recurring messages will be displayed as the targeted reach. These are the users who will receive your notifications. For targeting options, you can target users by label, gender, zone, or locale. To target all users who have given permission to receive recurring messages from your page, leave all options as default. Under the message template, select the type of message you want to send as a recurring message to your users and carefully compose its content to ensure it resonates with your audience. Finally, click Create Campaign. Congratulations! You've successfully sent a recurring message to all users who have granted permission. By utilizing recurring notifications, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal to maintain consistent engagement with your audience. Remember, effective communication is key to building relationships and fostering loyalty. Thank you for watching.